In this video, I'll talk about how to find the magnitude of a vector whose angle is given and a component is given. Let me explain this one. So let's say you have a vector here. This vector is r vector. We assume this is r, and the angle with respect to y-axis is given. And in this case, we assume the given angle is 60 degree. Here the y component is given, this component is given, and this component is 12 meter. Okay, so the given components are the angle, this angle, and the y component. And now we need to find out what is the value of this r, or what is the magnitude of the r. How do we do it? So the thing is, let me redraw this one, the picture here. Let's say we have a vector, this vector here. Any vector can be resolved into two components. The one component is, we can say this way, this is the x component and this is the y component. And if this angle is theta, then this component will be out, and let's say this is r, and this component will be r cosine theta, and this is r sine theta. Remember, if this angle is theta, now let's say if this angle is given, let's call this angle alpha, for example. If this angle is alpha, then this component will be r cosine alpha, and this component will be r sine alpha. So it just depends what are the angle given. Okay, so again, let me repeat this one. If this is r, and if this angle is theta, then this component will be r cosine theta, and this will be r sine theta. If the angle with respect to y-axis is given, which is alpha, then this component will be r cosine alpha, and this component will be r sine alpha. In our problem, the given components are the y component and this angle theta. And you know that if this is r, then this component will be r cosine theta, because this angle is given. Let's assume this angle is theta. So we have r component, which is r cosine theta, and given magnitude of the y component is 15, r cosine theta here again, and theta value is 60 degree. So if I just solve it, what I get, the magnitude of r is 30 meter. So that's the way we calculate this r. So this is it. And again, if you have any questions, write down your questions in the comment section below, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.